Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of SVF investment. We have very limited amount of data, so we have only 9 or 10 months worth of data over here. But there is very interesting thing that is happening. So we can't put it into numbers, but the rationale is interesting. Let's hear me for next couple of minutes. So you have two levels to look at primarily. 9.68 is going to be a stop loss and $10 is going to be the immediate support. Now generally, if you are looking at the trend, the higher end of the range or the stock has started falling from 14, so technically we can't go beyond 14. And even if you are looking the daily chart, so the things are same. It is the chart moves something like this. It is like a bowl. Here we are. Okay, here we are, and we don't have much to do or think about. This is the bowl, but important thing is you can see over here that the momentum is increasing. This kind of momentum, increase in momentum is very important. Whenever these kind of things happen, small base building or primarily a small base building has been happened. So as you can clearly see, then momentum will increase and you will see price rise on daily basis, short term price movement. But on a daily basis the stock started moving up. The second criteria is also fulfilled. In the third section, once it generates enough momentum or once it makes a strong base or decent amount of base, then a quick spurt happens in the particular stock and you will see some very sharp moves. Now whether it will move only or it will stick only to 14 or $15, that is not the case over here. It can move beyond that. How far it can go, that is yet to be seen. I mean, 50%, 100%, 500%, we can't say. But what we can say over here, anyhow, you can primarily you can at least hold for 14 and a half. But the thing is, it can make very big and very sharp moves in a very short amount of time, and that's what makes this chart very interesting. What we don't have, or the only thing we don't have, is the data. We have we have limited amount of data, so we can't do anything. But in this kind of trend, the movement will be like this. Definitely the movement will be like this, and this is all about looking at the chart and how is your experience with the chart and how much you are dealing with the chart, all these things. So we can't say whether this will be a 50% or 100% move, but as a summary or just the moral of the story is there is a possibility of a sharp bounce back, and that's what we are expecting over here. With a very small stop loss of 9.68, you can definitely, if not participating, there is no need of participating. At least you can observe, okay, what will probably happen and what is happening. And if it doesn't holds up the current level, and if it doesn't sustain above the current level, then obviously the stock again falls down. But this does not look the story as far as the current trend is concerned. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.